One of the next steps to take when creating a new course in Canvas is to go ahead and create the settings. So in the left-hand menu, you'll click Settings. You can put an image to go with it, so if you wanted to find one, I've struggled with this a little bit. They're pretty picky about the size of the image that they want. That is a feature that you can do. So this would be the short name of your course. Your course code is going to be the session number associated with that course. This is where you will put the dates and times for when your course starts, and this needs to match the MIS session information. So you'd put a start time. You would also put an end time. You need to check that users can only participate in this course between those dates, so that will not allow them to get in before the course starts, and it will not allow them to get in after the course has ended. The other things are pretty standard, and the default check marks should work on that. The one thing that you will need to do is come down here to where it says More Options. This is the box that we need to check. Let students self-enroll by sharing the secret URL. So when you click that, it's going to generate the URL after you update your course details. So you have to click Update Course Details. And then once those course details are updated, this is the link that you will need to put in the session where it says Course URL. So you have to get that session created so that you have the session number. Don't necessarily have to, because you could come back and edit that. But this is the link that needs to go in that session number in MIS prior to having that session published. Because once the participant enrolls in your course, they will be emailed their registration confirmation email, and in it, it will include the link to your course. So that's one thing that you need to make sure. And another thing that you sometimes have to do, and several people create like a course template so that you take care of most of these steps, is we want to clean up this left-hand menu right here that participants will see. And so you basically have to click and drag all these tools down to the bottom. Two that you want to leave are Home and Modules. And so once you've done that and you click Save, it will gray out all of those features. And once I have some content in the Modules section of the course, this will be black. So that's the things you need to do in settings of creating a course in Canvas.